Nicholas, this is your aw. This, this is your Yes, excellent. This is your Excellent. This is your Good job. This is your This is your This is your Can you put your in the basket? That's your Can I put your Can you put the Those are two. I just want one. Can you put your aw? Good job. Can you put in the basket? Good job. Can you put in the basket? Can you put both in the basket? Awesome. Good job. Nicholas, I'm going to take these straws. I'm going to give you one at a time and ask you to put it in one of your cups. You ready?
Yeah.
Can you put this in your cup? Good job. Can you put this in your cup? Good job. Can you put this in your aw cup? Can you put this in your cup? Awesome. 1, 2, 3. Okay, those are the sounds. I'm going to say the sound, and whoever knows it pulls it out and puts it on their side. Let's see who wins, okay? All right. Who can get the w sound? Good job, Nicholas got it. Who can get the y sound? Good job, Nicholas. Who can get the sound? Nicholas got it. Who can get the g sound? Nicholas got it. Who can get the k sound? Nicholas got it. Who can get the sound? No, Grandma got it. Grandma. No, Nicholas got it.
I got it.
Who can get the sound? Grandma, you're too slow. Nicholas knows so much. Who can get the what's the last sound on there? Very good.
I win.
Aw. Let's do mommies. Aw. Right up next side.
Like me.
Yeah, they do look like flies. They're sounds.
Oh, my tip.
Yeah, they're the same. Where's the aw? Where's my aw? Where's the t? Where's your t? Where's the Can you point to it? Where's my and where's yours? Good job.